Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Mustang Ecoboost Convertible. This one's a little bit special as it has the optional active valved exhaust, which you'll hear on the drive is quite loud. Good amount of trunk space for a convertible, honestly. Total price is $41,250. This one has the valved exhaust, black accent package, Ford Safe and Smart, the 10-speed. So this one's pretty well optioned. Shadow black over ebony. All right. This thing is loud. The Ecoboost has now replaced the V6, now especially with the optional high output option package, which puts a 2.3 liter in here from the Focus RS. I have gotten a few cracks and bangs from the exhaust. They are kind of hard to come by. Never driven a manual with this exhaust. That might crack a little bit more. You can hear it's just so loud. Handling is really good in the Ecoboost, especially because of the lighter front end, due to having half the motor up there. Go ahead, for this pull I'm gonna put the exhaust in quiet, which I've found is about how loud that's about how loud the normal Ecoboost was. You now have normal, which increases the volume a little bit more. Sport, which is loud. And then track. Which is even louder. It's just so loud. Makes such a difference. In complete honesty. Believe it or not, it does actually pull nicely. Good amount of torque from this Ecoboost 4-cylinder. So much torque in this thing. Oh my goodness. Alright, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and have a great day.